Welcome to Flowsense, your partner for industry-specific ERP solutions designed for manufacturing excellence. Here, you'll discover how our advanced AI technology can streamline operations in food and beverage management. Let's dive into the features that make Flowsense an essential tool for your business. Introducing Savor, our AI-powered platform tailored for complete food and beverage operations management. With capabilities for real material sourcing and delivery, as well as advanced tracking features, Savor ensures your operations run smoothly. Let's explore how this platform enhances your efficiency and compliance. This is the interactive analytics dashboard where you can gain powerful insights into your operations. The dashboard allows you to filter data by time range and performance metrics, providing a comprehensive overview of all departments. Utilize these insights to make informed decisions and drive operational excellence. In the raw material sourcing module, you can manage suppliers and purchase orders efficiently. Here, you will find top performing suppliers and their metrics, enabling you to select the best partners for your sourcing needs. This feature simplifies procurement processes and enhances supplier management. This screen displays your current purchase orders, including their statuses and total value. You can easily track pending and approved orders, ensuring you have real-time visibility into your procurement activities. Streamlining this process leads to faster decision-making and operational efficiency. The supplier performance screen allows you to monitor supplier metrics and scorecards. By assessing their performance on delivery times and quality, you can make strategic decisions regarding your supplier partnerships. This data helps you maintain high standards in your supply chain. In the receiving inspection section, you can track incoming materials and verify quality upon receipt. Here, you can see which items have passed inspection and which are pending or rejected. This ensures that only high-quality materials enter your production process. This inventory management screen provides an overview of your finished goods and raw materials. You can monitor inventory levels and perform adjustments as needed, ensuring you have the right quantities on hand to meet production demands. Effective inventory management minimizes waste and enhances operational flow. On this screen, you can view detailed information about your inventory items, including their locations and quantities. The ability to adjust stock levels in real time allows you to respond swiftly to changes in demand. This flexibility is crucial for maintaining efficiency in your operations. The batch tracking feature helps you trace raw materials throughout the production process. You can monitor production dates and any recalls, ensuring compliance with safety standards. This level of traceability is essential for maintaining quality assurance in food and beverage manufacturing. In the expiry alert section, you will find notifications for inventory nearing expiration. This helps you manage stock effectively and reduces the risk of waste. Proactive inventory management is key to maximizing your resources and minimizing losses. The inventory management cycle. Count feature tracks your inventory against scheduled counts. You can monitor variances and accuracy, ensuring that your inventory records are always up to date. This accuracy is vital for optimizing stock levels and improving operational efficiency. This screen displays the conditions of your temperature-controlled storage areas. Monitoring temperature ranges is crucial for food safety and quality preservation. By ensuring optimal storage conditions, you protect your products and maintain compliance with industry standards. Here, you can manage your production schedules and monitor progress on various lines. The timeline board gives you a clear view of what's in progress and what's been completed. This visibility helps you streamline production and ensure timely delivery of your products. In the calendar view of production scheduling, you can see weekly production runs and identify any conflicts. This overview helps you manage resources effectively and optimize your production capacity. Keeping everything organized ensures your operations run smoothly. The recipe and process automation module allows you to track production lines and their efficiency. Here, you can monitor batch records and production timelines, ensuring that every step of your process is optimized for performance. This feature enhances productivity and quality control. This screen showcases your batch records, giving you insights into completed and in-progress batches. Tracking these metrics helps you maintain an efficient workflow and ensures that your production targets are met. Accurate record keeping is essential in the food and beverage industry. Here, you can monitor process parameters and detect anomalies in real time. This feature alerts you to any deviations from set specifications, allowing for immediate corrective actions. Ensuring consistency in your processes is vital for maintaining product quality. The downtime tracking feature provides insights into production efficiency and breakdowns. By monitoring downtime, you can identify issues and implement solutions to improve overall productivity. This proactive approach minimizes disruptions and enhances operational flow. In the quality control and testing module, you can manage HACCP compliance and quality assurance tests. This screen allows you to track tests, results, and any non-conformance issues. Ensuring quality is paramount in the food and beverage sector. This section displays open non-conformance reports and their statuses. By tracking these reports, you can ensure that all quality issues are addressed promptly. This diligence helps maintain high standards in your operations. Here, you can manage certificates of analysis for your products. This feature allows you to generate and track QAs, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. Proper documentation is essential for maintaining trust with your customers. In the packaging and labeling module, you can manage packaging lines and compliance. This screen provides visibility into the status of your packaging orders, ensuring that everything is on track. Effective labeling management is critical for regulatory compliance and customer satisfaction. This screen allows you to view the status of nutritional panels for your products. Keeping your panels up to date ensures compliance with industry regulations and helps consumers make informed choices. Accurate labeling enhances your brand's reputation. In the bill of materials section, you can manage recipes and ingredient costs. This feature allows you to track ingredient usage and ensure cost efficiency in your production. Proper management of your BOM is essential for maintaining profitability. This screen displays multi-level BOMs, giving you insights into sub-assemblies and total components. Understanding your product structure helps you streamline production and improve cost management. This clarity is essential for optimizing your operations. Here, you can view an allergen matrix for your products. This feature helps you identify products containing allergens, ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Managing allergens effectively is crucial for protecting consumer health. In the work in progress section, you can track real-time production activities. This screen provides an overview of the current status of production batches, allowing for quick adjustments if needed. Keeping track of production helps maintain efficiency and meet deadlines. This screen showcases shipment tracking for your distribution logistics. You can monitor the status of deliveries and ensure that your products reach customers on time. Effective logistics management is essential for customer satisfaction. In the post-production analysis module, you can evaluate sales data and performance metrics. This screen provides insights into batch quality and revenue, helping you assess overall performance. Understanding these metrics allows you to make informed business decisions. The predictive maintenance feature provides an overview of your equipment's health status. Monitoring these metrics helps you schedule maintenance proactively, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns. Keeping your equipment in top shape is vital for uninterrupted operations. This screen allows you to manage your human resources effectively. You can track employee performance and manage staffing needs, ensuring that your team operates at peak efficiency. A well managed workforce is essential for achieving production goals. In the financial management module, you can track expenses and profitability. This screen provides a clear view of your financial health, allowing you to make informed budgeting decisions. Effective financial management is key to sustaining your business. This screen compares your budget versus actual performance, helping you identify variances. Understanding these differences enables you to adjust your strategies and ensure financial stability. Monitoring financial metrics is crucial for long-term success. In the AI Analytics and Insights section, you can access machine learning predictions and recommendations. This feature helps you uncover opportunities for improvement in your operations. Leveraging AI insights empowers your decision-making process. This final screen invites you to see Flowsense in action. Schedule a personalized demo tailored to your specific needs and discover how our solutions can transform your food and beverage operations. Take the first step towards operational excellence today.